NQ really looks like it wants to go higher here. The high is still intact, with London high still intact, with New York PM high still intact. So like we haven't had no liquidity sweeps here, so I'm seeing this more as a retracement than a reversal. So I want to be looking for higher prices here. And again on NQ. So we have took out all of these lows here on NQ, which could be why we're holding up a little bit. We're inside this BISI. Preferably I would like higher prices from open, but I want an entry, and if it doesn't give me an entry, then it doesn't really matter. But I am looking for all this buy side liquidity formed here. And this looks very decisive here. But we'll see. YMs went lower to sweep liquidity, so did ES. NQ is the only strong one. Dollars is consolidating, which has low probability for me. We swept liquidity here. So we had SMT here. Like, I think I know the draw, and the draw on liquidity is higher up here. But the current price position where we're at, there's no entry, and it's not worth me going into an entry, especially on my fundeds. There's literally no reason to get into an entry up here. Let's see what DXY is doing. DXY is going lower, so I would still, I think, expect NQ to go higher here. We're respecting this fair value gap here. I'm going to come back at 950 macro and see what price delivered. We might as well wait until we get some more clear buyers. We haven't inverted this whatever yet, so there's no point getting into a trade. Literally no point. Until the 50 minutes and 5 minutes show willingness that we want to go higher, there's literally no point trading it. Literally zero point trading it. And all we're just looking at here is something which will want you to get into a trade, which you'll lose and you'll beat yourself up about. But then look at the 50 minute. We're not closing. If we start trading above consequent encroachment of this wick, look, if we start closing above it, that shows we could go higher. To buy side, to a 5 minute candle close, we expect a pullback on the open of this candle, because that's how every candle forms: open, low, high, close when we're bullish. So we're going to want it to come down into this inversion and this SIBI. If we don't get this SIBI, that's not a problem. It could be a breakaway. My stop is going to be below mean threshold of here, distributing above here on paper trading. No live account here. Why are you looking to trade for every fucking move? Like, I can go into gold here and think, oh look, it looks like we want to go higher. It's true. I can buy long. It's fine. I can buy long here. Stop under this low, targeting this high to this 55 minute fair value gap, because that is to draw. That's where we're going. But the probability behind it is, like, I can go break even now, but there's literally no benefit to doing this. Like, in the long time, you're going to lose out. And that is where we're going. That's the draw on liquidity, and that's how the market runs. But you can see bullish order flow, fair value gap getting respected, bearish fair value gap not getting respected, bullish fair value gap getting respected, trading higher, bullish fair value gap getting respected. It's literally how the markets fucking work. And whether you want to prescribe to that, whether you want to actually be like that, that's up to you. If you want to follow these concepts, you can. But a market like this, like NQ here, it's not a market you want to trade. You can say all in fucking hindsight now that we're going higher, we inverse this. Yes, in hindsight you can answer that. Why would you want to trade in this? It's fucking bullshit price action. I can see the draw. You can see higher or lower. Now we're going to expand to buy side. We're going to. Yes, I can say this is an inversion. Yes, I can say from that midpoint of that consequent encroachment of that inversion fair value gap, we're going to rally to buy side. I can say that within the macro. But in the moment, when you're actually trading, it's harder than that. And it's harder to predict where this price is going in situations like this, where we're going up, down, up. Then we're returning into this range, into this order block, and then returning higher. Order block. So we're in an expansion profile now, so we should expand the full order blocks.